Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Impossible Mowers. Ooh, slippery. Today's Sunday. I usually never record on Sunday, but I think you're gonna know why. Look what came and I didn't know about it again. And I think it's about time we do a plowing video, so stay tuned. Not sure if I mentioned it to you guys, but the battery's acting weird. I think I gotta put it on a trickle charge, but it's not keeping the numbers. Good deal of Husqvarna, eh? Looking good. We're looking good. All right. He's back on here. I'm gonna let this thing warm up. And when I turn the camera back on, we'll be on the move. Alrighty, guys. I still got that old chain setup. I really don't like it, but the thing is I hardly find a chance to get the Poulan in the shop. The Blue Flame Craftsman's been in there so much, so I think some point between this week and next week, I might make a YouTube short or something, or a video, and just put the winch on it. But I don't know, something can happen between then. Yes, I'm using zip ties. They're the right size chain for the tire, but the problem is they've been worn so much. A lot of the chains have been bent and stuff, so it's just kind of a pain in the ass to keep it all tight. So I just use zip ties. Plow's dragging a bit. It's doing the job though. I can't complain. I'm gonna start halfway first because I need to gauge what the mower is going to want to do today. We all have our good days and bad days. I don't know if today's one of her bad days. You know the deal. Bring it up. Oh boy. There we go. Drop the chain. Nice little cubby. And probably gonna angle it that way just because of the way the cars are parked down there. We didn't really expect this much snow, so we didn't have time to get ready. Look at this. Look what's under the snow. Ice and a whole lot of it. Skate on that. That's why I got the chains this year. And we'll go in fourth. And I might pick it up. Go 6. Screw it. go so far with the plow because the problem is half of this driveway is dirt, half of it's pavement. I'm gonna destroy this plow if I run it over on the sandy dirt stuff because there's a lot of rocks here, and you can probably see it's just making the plow want to slap down. And I got the spring tightened as much as I can get it, so it's a bit of a, you know, rough gamble because I can't see where the pavement stops. And as you can see, I actually went a lot further than I should have gone. Well, that's because there's so much ice, I can't feel it in the plow. But the moment the ice goes away, you can feel it, and the mower will struggle doing that. So the only time I'll plow this straight with snow is when we get a few more inches more than what we have today, because then the plow can glide over it. It's not gonna fight it. Oh, it's spinning a bit with the chains. That's all right. There we go. See how it's all trying to dig in? Better on the pavement. Wow, that's a lot of snow. I mean, I feel like with the Poulan, it's daily routine. Oh, come on. It's not turning all the way, but I got most of the snow, so I don't think it's gonna matter. sir, my foot slipped off the clutch. I think we just got maybe 1 or 2 more passes and we're done. Check in with one of my brothers on that because I have no idea if we actually got a plow coming here. If we don't, the video will be longer. Oh boy, I forgot to swap the plow over. But if we do, then we'll stop it right at the hillside here. Now the reason why I only plow this section usually is because when we have a plow guy coming, he can see the edge of the driveway a lot better. And he has a good spot to put all the snow he gets from up here. See that? It's digging in and spitting out. It's just adding more wear and tear on the unit. That Craftsman too. It's looking good. I think 2 more passes and we'll stop for now, and then I'll end the video in the next clip if we can't blow anymore. Okay, baby. There we go. You know, it's just all that ice is making it a bit of a, you know what, to turn, but get her done. day. Alrighty guys, I believe that is it for today's video. We got a plow guy coming and I don't want to hurt my plow. So with all that said and done, I hope you guys liked, comment, and subscribe. I hope you liked today's video. I woke up this morning thinking, you know what? I got all these people asking me to do a plowing video, and here you got it. So don't forget to check out the Instagram, the Patreon, check out the playlist. We neaten up the channel, so we got a bunch of playlists for all the builds. And yeah, so without further ado, I hope you all stay safe, and this is Impossible Mowers out.